Welcome to TOYAN Restaurant and Bar on the One Love Drive on the West End Road. It's been a pleasure to have people come here over and over in Negril here. And we like to invite more people to Negril, more people on the West End. We open 7 days a week. And Sundays we open in the evening. We got jerk chicken, fried chicken, we got fries, rice and peas. And if you want special fish done, we can do it. But it's all about a lively bar where we got nice bartenders that work here. The people that work here accept people that comes in day and night. But on the West End Road at TOYAN's, every year we got the Canadian tournament where we play pool. And the pool table, but the Canadians haven't won for a long time. But it was fun each time they come down. And they brought like 20 people in. But I guess the tourist board, they don't see what TOYAN is doing here. But one day they will see it. I hope they're not too late when they see it, because I'm trying to promote it on the West End One Love Drive Road. I'm gonna be 50 this year, and I got this place going since I'm 17. If you can check that up, that's a lot of years. And I always love to serve the people at TOYAN, because I'm TOYAN. I'm no other one but TOYAN. So whenever you're in Jamaica, you should come at TOYAN and enjoy yourself. If you don't come, you don't know what I'm talking about. You gotta come here to see and know what I'm talking about. Sometimes there's interview that says people shouldn't come out on the road when they're in the hotel. And that's a big lie. People need to come out on the road and see what it is. Because on the One Love Drive, there's a lot to see. But the beach, capture it all, take it into all-inclusive. It's gonna kill Jamaica. It's gonna take a while before they see that. But I hope they see it before it gets dead.